So you need
Abarikuteekatekyera entunguka omundembo bete ba fiscal planner nibenda amataka ga gavumenti gona gatunje ebyapa okushaba oku bakireyo babe bari nare babugine commissioner w'ebimataka amaju n'ebyentunguka omundembo omuri Kamukuzi aho mu Rurembo Rwampara.
twagira okushitama n'okuganira kugira mbite kwatire no kuteekateeka ebibuga bitu districts zitu kwenda itaka ribase kukozesebwa buryo oburubwe ekintu ekyokweta physical planning nikikwata aha kuteekateeka kurungi kw'itaka kw'amaju n'amagambo gitu.
You find that we need to protect the restricted and eco-sensitive areas, but also your input is really very necessary for most of these infrastructure projects that come along. And currently we have like maybe the road, you find that the National Roads Authority, the planning of roads, the planning of the waves, the electricity lines, water, the sewer lines and all that. So this is really the key role of a fiscal planner. And all these layers, when they are brought together, it helps the fiscal planner and the zonal office to be able to take good decisions.
Abantu bagira ngo bakine ekizibu cy'abantu abarukwiba amataka ga gavumenti eky'obusaasi abantu babanza bagatungire ebyapa konko bwiro bwingi nibaba bitungire Omuneneserezo biragero.
My first concern is on public lands or government lands in our areas of jurisdiction. Most of these lands are being encroached on now because of the stay by the government to secure titles for those lands. And it is something that has always been my understanding. You go to a certain district, they tell you they have not gotten the money to secure titles for those lands.
You can also remind her that people are pressing us hard. They're waiting for the titles. They think as if we forged away, we forged, and we're not helping them. So it's a very important issue. Then secondly, Milo. Again, Rwampara is a beneficiary of, members of Rwampara district are beneficiary of freehold titles from Milo. So, and that project has also taken a long time.
Sovereign ziyatueta batusomesa ebitusemiye kuba tugenderaho okuba kwenda tukore emirimo yitu na no kuba kwenda ebintu bimuzemo. Twasima munonga commissioner witu mwamika ganzi Emmanuel Peter yasobora government okweterireho special grant ninge bakweta conditional grant ekuza kuba netu yamba nka physical planners kukora emirimo yitu mu district.
Amakuraga gasha kwa Anita Atkunda Awa TV West.